All right, so putting a easy salad dressing together. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. In fact, it could be super duper simple and just be olive oil and some sort of vinegar and just, drizzling it over your salad. If you want to take it up a notch, if you need a little bit more flavor in it, we're going to make a pretty decent sized batch that you'll get quite a few salads out of. So I've got a mason jar. I'm going to fill it with olive oil about halfway. Perfect. And then some sort of vinegar. It could be apple cider. It could be red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar. I'm throwing balsamic in there today. So you're gonna want, I probably got about a cup of olive oil in there, and I'm gonna probably do about a fourth to a third cup vinegar, but you can kind of see the portion. And of course, if you want more vinegar in it, just add more vinegar. So I like some stone ground mustard in mine. You're going to want to make sure that whatever mustard you use doesn't have sugar or gluten in it. So distilled vinegar, water, mustard, sea salt, and spices. About a tablespoon. You might decide you want more, that's fine. And then some salt and pepper to taste. And again, like when you add this to your salad, chances are you're gonna put more salt and pepper on your salad, and that's fine. So it doesn't really need to be exact here. You're gonna mince with a garlic press a clove of garlic. And you can really, like, that could be it, right? Super simple. Or if you want to add some spices, I've got this Italian seasoning that I've put together. I'm just going to add a little bit. I'm going to put a lid on. I'm going to shake it all up and throw it in the refrigerator. So because there is fresh garlic in here, you are going to want to store it in the refrigerator. Because it's olive oil, chances are it's going to solidify a bit. So you'll just pull it out of the refrigerator, 15 minutes or so before you eat your salad. But it's in the fridge, it's ready to go. It just needs to, come to room temp. And that's it.